So we're not going to have a Zoom meeting, but I made this video for you so you could watch it and see what to do. We're going to create an 8 heads high drawing of the proportions of the body, because we are going to make a sculpture, which I'll tell you more about tomorrow, of a human figure. And let me just share my screen. So you'll see that I gave you a link for paper mache statues, and the first part that we're going to do, we're only going to do this part. Don't worry about this till later. We're going to draw the human proportion in the 8 heads high model. So I'm going to show you how we're going to fold a vertical sheet of paper in half, and then half again, and then half again. And then you're going to put your name in class. Well, that's for in class, because I used to have people hand it in. You're going to take a picture. So you're going to unfold it and smooth it out, and then you're going to number each section like the drawing below. And you're going to use this drawing on the left to copy the figure, paying attention to the proportions and in which segment each body part lies. And then you're going to label the body parts as you go to be sure you have them in the right sections. So if you click on this picture, it's going to open up and you can look at this to draw. Okay, so this is what your drawing should look like when you're done. And this is the model for you to copy. So you're not going to trace it. So obviously your paper is not going to be the same size. This is for you to draw from observation. All right, so you are going to, you're going to take a piece of regular printer paper and you're going to fold it in half. Right, you're going to fold it in half like this. Right, so that's the long way, right? Or like a card kind of, right? It's not going to be the hot dog, it's going to be the hamburger, as they say in elementary school. So you fold it in half, and then you're going to fold it in half again. So you're going to fold it in half. Trying to match the corners up. Okay, so you fold it in half again, so it's folded 1, 2, 3 times. Right, so after you fold it 3 times, then you should have 8 sections. Okay, so once you fold it, I like to take my nails and kind of makes a good crease. Okay, and then you unfold it. Okay, so you're going to unfold it. So you should have 8 sections. Okay, so right, 1. You're going to label them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, I have 8 up here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, the very top of your drawing of the head is going to be at the very top of the paper, and the feet will be at the very bottom with a little bit of them cut off. So this is what you're going to have, and you can take it and you can kind of rub it on a table, like if you hold it and you just sort of smooth it out, right? Kind of smooth it out. So this is just really to divide it up. You're going to smooth it out so you can get it flat, and this is what you're going to draw on, right? So then you're going to use the drawing. You're going to draw on your paper, and it's going to look like this. Okay, this was done by a 5th grader, just to let you know. Okay, so I've used this also for 5th graders. So this should not be hard for you. I want you to take your time, and I want you to look at where the head, so this is called an 8 heads high human figure. Okay, so obviously you would change it a little bit. This is a man. A woman would be a little bit more curved in, but you're really just drawing the outline of the body. So you don't have to worry about any details, no faces. Don't draw any faces or any parts on here. I just want the outline, because it's really for you to pay attention to the proportions of the body, and you are going to use this as a diagram to create your sculpture. So don't lose it after you're done. So just get a piece of printer paper, fold it 3 times in half and half and half, and then see how the head goes from this line to here. These blue lines are the folds of your paper. Okay, so they should correspond with where you're drawing, and that helps you to see where everything is. If you pay attention to where the lines are or the folds in your paper, then you can see that the shoulder is in between, in the middle of 7, right? And the hand comes all the way down to the middle of 4, and the thumb is all the way up in here in 5, and the elbow is just a little bit above the 6. Okay, so look at where the crotch of the person is, where the knees of the person, where the bottoms of the feet, where the hands are, and the elbows, and pay attention to what line they land on. So that will help you pay attention to how to make your drawing. So this is the assignment for today. You should start your drawing and um, and then take a picture of it when you're done. You should be able to do this in one class period, but if you're not done, you still need to take a picture of it at the end of the class period and upload what you did. Okay, so however much you get done, I want you to take a picture, even if it's only half. Okay, you're gonna take a picture and upload it to this assignment for Monday to be counted as having been in class and done your work. I will grade it on Tuesday though, for the actual grade. That's I'll do the attendance based on that you did some work, but I'll give you till Tuesday to actually finish. Okay, so you should have at least half of it done, if not all of it, by the end of class. Take a photograph of your drawing on your paper and upload it to this Google Classroom assignment to be counted, no matter how much you get done. You will be marked absent if you don't have a picture of your work in this assignment. All right, have a great time, and I will see you on Tuesday.